Greetings and salutations. It's Kilien, the scientist. Back one more again. Again, this is an update on my progress so far. As you turn, I got me a PC up and running with a motherboard. It's an MSI motherboard. I'm gonna say a B660. Might be wrong. Let me double check. Yeah, it's a B660M motherboard. I got two 8GB RAM, so about total 16 RAM. I got an i5 processor. I got I'm gonna say a GeForce GTX graphic card. Ooh. I got 1 TB of memory. And again, this is just all starting off, as well as the PSU is about 650 watts. And again, I didn't go with the standard fan. I ended up with just adding a fan, real old school shit like a Hyper 212. But again, this is my first build. My second build, actually, my second complete build. My first build is in the store somewhere. That's how I see it. But again, this build still needs an operating system. I've already decided what operating system and decided what to do with this computer. So that's a good thing that it's up and running. I'm at the OS, or I said the OS, I'm tripping. I'm at the BIOS. It's loading. It's been running about 12 hours now. It's been keeping this cool, so that's a good thing. Now it's up to tuning it and figuring out enough and making sure that I get the most out of this PC. And as well as getting the most out of the PC, just upgrading it as it goes along, such as the RAM. I need way more than 16 gigabytes of RAM for the project I'm doing. As well as the CPU, I might have to upgrade that. And the terabyte, I know that 1 TB is gonna be used up real quick. They said 32 gigabytes. I seen an ad that 32 gigabytes has the whole public library of New York. So if 32 gigabytes take up the whole public library of New York, I might need about 50 gigabytes. But again, this is just me just thinking. But again, round of applause to myself. Got my first computer working. Now I'm just uploading the OS and moving forward. And besides that, my last video I quoted a lot of shit wrong. The Sherlock Holmes quote. It's no matter how much. I know I quoted it wrong. I'm not finna quote it again. As well as other things. I said I was a professor, but again, I'm not a professor. I'm a scientist. Or as well as at least I'm going through the process of learning how to be a scientist, you dig? Because again, it all start with observation, curiosity, a little skepticism, experimentation, and just understanding the logic at the end, or just revision it so you have a understanding or logic of what you observe, you dig? Again, Kilien the Scientist. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to Kilien the Scientist. And again, just here to share my updates and my upgrades of my PC. I should give it a name. My first PC build, custom PC. I'll think of a name to give it. But again, thank you for everything. Keep it cool. Cool again. It's the life of a computer scientist. You dig? One, keep it cool.